In this video, I'm going to show you how to program a universal garage door opening keypad remote to a Craftsman 1.5 horsepower garage opener. So first of all, what you got to do, you're going to press and hold the star and the pound button right here. And these lights are going to blink, okay? And you're going to hold them down until the light becomes solid. And then it's going to go solid. That's what you want. All right, so next what you're going to do is you're going to enter your 4-digit PIN and then press the pound button. So I'm going to put my 4-digit PIN in. And then I got to press the pound button. Okay? And then after that, you're going to press the enter button the number of times that it says. Now on here, we've got this Craftsman with an orange learn button. So I've got to press this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. All right, we're good. So if you look on here, it says press and release the 0 button first. So we got to hit that. Okay, now we're going to go up and we're going to press the learn button. You see that button right there? That orange button, that's the learn button. You just have to press it once. And then we wait for the light to come on. So I go ahead and I come up here, right? I'm just going to press it. And then I just have to come back down here and enter the PIN and see if it works and press enter, so you don't get to see that. It did make a noise. Let's try again. Wow, there we go. We got it. Yay, we fingered it out. Woo! All right, we're going to try it again, okay? Don't watch. You don't get to see what I'm doing. I put my 4th thing in, I hit enter. And Bob's your uncle. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.